Hello everyone and welcome to my beauty channel. If you want to see how I created this look, then please stay tuned. To prepare my skin for foundation, I use this Maybelline Baby Skin Primer and gently press it into my skin. This will give me a smooth foundation look. For foundation, I use the Wet n Wild Tinted Hydrator for winter because it gives me that dewy look. Always start off with a little amount of foundation and blend it in with a sponge or kabuki brush. If you feel you need more cover, you can always go back and add more foundation to that area. Concealer is 2 shades lighter than your foundation, so I apply it on areas where I feel I need to highlight, like under my eyes, bridge of my nose and my chin. To blend it in, I use a dense brush or a beauty blender. Bronzer is 2 shades darker than your foundation. This will define and accentuate specific areas like higher cheekbones, more defined chin or jaw, or thinner bridge of nose. To add to this dewy look, I use a cream blush. Apply it with a fluffy brush just above your cheekbone to create that lifting effect. I absolutely love this warm tone palette from Inglot. Please don't let this palette intimidate you. Remember, these colors are compact, that's why they're so saturated. Firstly, I apply the deep orange shade to my crease area, and you will see that the color blends perfectly. Then with the same shade, apply with a smaller brush on the bottom of my lashes. To create a cut crease, I take a tiny brush and a little bit of concealer and apply it to my lash line. Then I just look up. This will stamp the concealer, and now you can just follow the lines and fill in. Please remember to press very softly. Let's add some sparkle. I take a brush and softly dab a champagne shimmer to the eyelid. To eye dimension, I apply a dark brown eyeshadow to the outer corners of my eye and then softly blend the harsh lines. Now just breathe and slowly apply a liquid eyeliner to your lash line. This is the perfect way to frame your eye shape. Oh, this is my favorite mascara. Please remember to wiggle the mascara from your roots to your ends to lift your lashes. And if you have a smudge, wait until it's dry and simply flick off with an earbud. For a lippy, I use a lip liner from Aloe Girl, and this is a perfect burnt orange shade. I simply line my lips and then fill it in. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I do hope that you will try this look at home or maybe even for a hot date. Until next time, mwah!